Hi there. Thanks for stopping by. I made a simple, roasted chicken for dinner. This chicken was not stuffed. It is 2 pounds, so I will cook it for an hour, because most cookbooks will tell you that an unstuffed chicken will need 30 minutes per pound. I will also use a thermometer. I will preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The chicken will be done when the internal temperature at the thickest part of the thigh reaches 145 to 150 degrees. I tuck the wings under the bird and will season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Remember to wash your hands before touching other items. I use vegetable oil and coat my hands and press down on the seasonings. The chicken is covered with foil and placed in the preheated oven. I am using a roaster pan, lined with aluminum foil. Before I line the pan, I sprayed the pan with vegetable spray. Roasted chicken is a favorite in my family because they love leftover chicken used for making chicken salad and chicken soup. See my chicken salad video and my chicken soup video on my channel. So, the chicken is done. Just listen to that sizzle. Also, look closely that the juices are running clear and that I cut the chicken at the thigh to see there were no red juices running. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. See you next time.